I'm Emily Binks. I'm an artist based in the Art House in Wakefield.
I'm Julie Coulson. I'm the principal at Blackgates Primary Academy.
So I'm Amy Young and I'm the Year 4 class teacher.
The school gave me the theme of relationships, which I thought was interesting. I used the basis of my practice to design some workshops for them, and then linked in this theme of like relationships. So how can they kind of learn to sort of trust one another and grow confidence in themselves and in one another throughout the project.
They have learnt to get along with each other and to work together to create something rather than competing and one person trying to do better than another child.
The class that I particularly work with, they did find it quite challenging to communicate with each other. Emotions would become quite heightened very quickly. However, once they were in with the art and working through creating the sculptures towards the end, it was lovely to see them working together. They'd listen to each other's ideas, which wasn't happening before. And I think the art really brought them all together as a team and as a unit to all work together.
My name is Lisa Mulheron. I am one of the local councillors. The opportunity to actually be able to express yourself creatively and to explore your thoughts and feelings in a way that you don't have to verbalise necessarily, so you can actually do it either in drawing, painting, sculpting, just creating your own works of art. I think it helps to develop thought processes and in terms of perspective of the world and the fact that you can see things differently and that your way of seeing things may be different to the person you sat next to, your friend across the room. Actually, I think it's really important just in terms of shaping people's views of the world and understanding of other people's thought processes as well.
Sometimes young people and kids can maybe feel like what they feel or their ideas are not important or are not good, and through working in like a free, creative way, they get to realise things that they might just like leave in the head, they might not tell anybody about.
I think it means that they can use their imagination and that they have more confidence in being able to express and use art, that they don't think there's a right and a wrong anymore, which they always did, and that they are more willing to have a go and create things and work together in a really effective way.
But by the end of it, it was kind of like, oh, I'm going to try this, or like, can I do that? Look at this, rather than, oh, that's wrong. Like, it was like, Emily, come and look at what I've done. Like, so, yeah, there was definitely a change in, even if it was only a small shift, I think, there was definitely a change.
We're kind of moving away from that really rigid structure of how you need to do things. What we're trying to do now is have an art project, an art day, where they come in on a morning, they don't know what they're doing, and they do a full day, and then whatever is at the end is at the end. It doesn't have to be this all singing, all dancing creation that we've made at the end.
If we didn't work with you guys, then we probably wouldn't have thought as much as we could have thought of, and we probably wouldn't have the best ideas that we'd ever thought of before. Well, I think working with you, if I hadn't have worked with you, then I wouldn't have known what I could actually do in art.
I've learned that art has got a massive, massive potential to be used across the curriculum everywhere throughout school, right from down in our 2-year-old provision all the way up to year 6, and that the kids just love it, and you get so much more conversation out of them and the communication between the children. You see your children in a different light, and that's really helped me to embrace art within school.